So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang account restriction sa ating Roblox app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Roblox account or yung ating Roblox app. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, itap nyo lang yung more na nandito sa my lower right corner or yung 3 horizontal dots. Then, pagka-tap ng more guys, i-scroll up lang natin. And then, hanapin nyo yung settings, then tap. And then, pagka-tap dito sa settings, itap nyo naman is yung privacy. So, ayan guys, pagka-tap ng privacy, hanapin nyo lang yung account restrictions. And kung makikita nyo, mayroong switch button sa right side niya. Ang nakalagay is, account restriction are disabled. So, para ma-turn on natin or ma-enable natin ang account restrictions, itap lang natin yung switch button sa right side niya. And kung makikita nyo guys, naging kulay green na yung switch button. Ibig sabihin niya, naka-enable na or naka-activate na yung account restrictions natin sa Roblox. So sabi dito, kapag daw naka-enable ang account restrictions, so ma-access lang daw ng account natin is yung mga content na appropriate sa lahat ng audiences. So katulad na lang dyan, kung bata yung gumagamit, much better na may account restrictions ang ating Roblox app. So kapag naka-enable din ang account restrictions, so ang communication settings daw is masaset automatic sa off. So ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang account restrictions sa Roblox. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.